Hi Scott. What's up Samuel? I can't believe I waited so long to register my business with the CAC. It's been such a game changer. I told you it would be worth it. What's been the biggest benefit so far? Well, first off, no one can steal my business name anymore. It's officially mine, protected by law. Plus, clients and partners take me more seriously now that I'm a registered business. It's like a whole new level of credibility. That's fantastic to hear. I'm sure it's created new avenues for development as well. Absolutely. I've already started exploring partnerships and applying for grants that were previously out of reach. It's like the world sees me differently now that I'm legitimate. I'm so happy for you. Seeing you turn this setback into an opportunity for growth is inspiring. It just goes to show that sometimes, the hardest challenges lead to the greatest rewards. You were right all along. I can't thank you enough for encouraging me to take this step. It's transformed my business and my outlook on the future. Hey, that's what friends are for. I knew you had it in you all along. Here's to many more successes for your registered business. As you witness Samuel's transformation after registering his business with the CAC through our trusted expert, it's time for you to take action. Don't delay any longer. Get your business officially registered with the CAC today. Contact Larry Wisdom, our expert registration agent, at 0704221738 and take the first step towards securing your business's future. And remember to follow us for more business updates and much more. We're grateful for your support as you watch the video. Don't forget to share this valuable information with others who may benefit. Don't wait any longer. Make the call now.